came last year for the first time, and we had a ball. We've met people that we just thoroughly enjoyed. It's just a great experience.
Thank you all for being here. It's fantastic to celebrate this with you as well. Congratulations, Nelson.
That is actually better than I. Thank you.
This is from 2019. We were here then, and we'll be here in the future. We love it.
Our gatherings are not just rallies. This is not a sales event. This is a homecoming of my family coming to my house to break bread together and enjoy.